Just some few minutes before we have seen the experimental part or experimental which experiment we are going to perform today, benzoic acid from benzamide, and I explained various steps involved like what are the appetals, what are the chemicals, what are the procedure, what are the formula, what is the calculation, what is the chemical reaction, all things we have seen. Now in front of you now I am going to perform actually. And now you can see I am having a 100 ml conical glass, मेरे पास एक conical glass है, and one funnel is there. Then this conical glass contain already one piece of porcelain piece, a wire gauze is there, tripod stand is there, heating burner is there, a beaker which contain 10% NaOH is there, and a measuring cylinder. With the help of this I will take around 10%. And similarly, already I just took the weight. I took the weight of 2 gram of benzamide. पहले से मैंने benzamide लेके रख चुका हूँ. तो चलिए start करते हैं how to perform the preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. First of all, what I will do? I will take a conical flask. A conical flask which is previously clean and dry, which already contain one small piece of porcelain piece. अब इस conical flask में, in this conical flask, now I will add 2 gram of benzamide. See, already it is weighed. 2 gram of benzamide will be transferred in this conical flask, 100 ml conical flask. Look at it. Now this conical flask is kept on a wire gauze, which is supported on the tripod stand. Now in the same conical flask, add 30 ml, 10%. Look at here, 30 ml with the help of measuring cylinder. $30 ml NaOH. 30 ml NaOH is added. Now this 30 ml of NaOH is transferred into the 100 ml conical flask, which already contain 2 gram of benzamide. After complete transfer of this 30 ml 10% NaOH, now this conical flask is closed by means of funnel. इसको funnel से मैंने close किया है, not completely closed, because during the reaction there is a release of ammonia, and that released ammonia will be allowed to come from here. And that whether ammonia release has stopped or not, it can be checked with the help of moist turmeric paper. Just bring that moist turmeric paper close to the mouth of test tube. वो टेस्ट ट्यूब के मुंह के नजदीक लाना है, hold it, and if it turns brown, means still ammonia is coming. If ammonia is coming, it means that benzamide still is there, and the reactant is still there, and therefore we have to continue the heating. If the release of ammonia stop, means moist turmeric paper does not turn brown. Brown turn नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब आपका अमोनिया रिलीज बंद हो चुका है. इसका मतलब all benzamide has converted to benzoic acid. Now just little 1 or 2 minutes more and stop heating and cool and acidify with constant HCl, and then filter, then wash, and then dry, and then take the weight and do the calculation. Now my setup is ready. मेरे पास conical flask है, उसके अंदर 30 ml NaOH है, closed with funnel, kept on the wire gauze, supported the stand. Now with the help of this match box, I will light a burner. Now I will heat it. I will heat around up to 30 minutes. See? Now just heat it, and it is just heated on the wire gauze. See? It is on the wire gauze. Now heating will be gentle heating. It should not be very strong heating. Slow heating रखिए, ज़्यादा strong heating मत रखिए. Slow heating. I will just control the temperature from here. Gentle heating. So just heat this conical flask on wire gauze containing 2 gram benzamide and 30 ml NaOH for about 30 minutes. 30 मिनट तक उसको हीट करते रहिए. आप देखेंगे यहाँ से अमोनिया आपका कंटिन्यूसली निकलना शुरू होगा. ए फ्यूम्स ऑफ अमोनिया विल स्टार्ट करें, लेकिन हमको पता करना है कि फ्यूम्स हैज स्टॉप कमिंग या इज एक्चुअली अमोनिया और समथिंग एल्स. तो वी कैन चेक विद हेल्प ऑफ मॉइस्ट टर्मरिक पेपर से वो हम चेक कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से 30 मिनट के बाद या 35 मिनट के बाद आप देखें पूरा कंपाउंड जो पूरी रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, अमोनिया का आना बंद हो चुका है. अब आप उस फ्लास्क को एसिडिफाई कर सकते हैं, ठंडा करके एसिडिफाई कर सकते हैं. फिर उसके बाद उसको फिल्टर कर सकते हैं. फिल्टर करने के बाद उसको ड्राई वॉश कर सकते हैं, वॉश के बाद ड्राई करके और वेट कर सकते हैं. लाइक दिस वे यू कैन प्रिपेयर द बेंजोइक एसिड फ्रॉम बेंजामाइड. लेट द हीटिंग विल बी कंटिन्यू. ये हमारा 30 मिनट हीटिंग चल रहेगा. आप देखेंगे ये ऊपर जो कंपाउंड दिख रहा है, इट इज फ्लोटिंग ऑन द सर्फेस, इट विल कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व, मतलब इट विल बिकम होमोजीनियस. होमोजीनियस मतलब रिएक्शन स्टार्ट है. रिएक्शन स्टार्ट मतलब अमोनिया आपका रिलीज होना शुरू हो जाएगा और अमोनिया बाद में कुछ देर के बाद 30 मिनट के बाद अमोनिया स्टॉप हो जाएगा. एंड व्हेन अमोनिया स्टॉप हीटिंग एंड कूल, एसिडिफाई, फिल्टर, वॉश एंड ड्राई एंड टेक द ड्रिंक. लाइक दिस वे we have to do the preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. Start. You can see now the solution become homogeneous as boiling. Previously you can see the benzoic acid was suspended, benzamide was suspended on the NaOH. Now the reaction become homogeneous. Now you can see lot of fumes are coming, lot of gases coming. That is nothing but liberation ammonia. Now we can check whether it is ammonia or something else. So now I am holding a moist sanding paper close to the mouth of it. You can see that the litmus turmeric paper has turned brown. It means that ammonia is coming. It means that ammonia is coming means still benzamide is there. Now just we have started 5 minutes only. In this 5 minutes there is a more chances of coming ammonia means still there is unreacted benzamide is there. So if the moist turmeric paper does not turn brown, it means that ammonia has stopped coming, means our reaction is over. Then we will stop the heating and we will cool, acidify, dry, wash and dry and remove the. This is our one small demo type of experiment. Now this heating will continue.